Born on the 19th of February. Muntik nang masabay sa Chinese New Year. Buti na lang di nag-fall sa Ash Wednesday. Saktong araw ng Thursday. Pero sabi kulang-kulang daw. Anok-nokan ng toyoin. Pero sa totoo lang mabait at malambing na friend. Wag lang mag-all caps.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy Grace.
Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo.
God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Grace! More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Always happy and stay safe. Happy birthday, Boss Grace. More birthdays to come. Love lang yanay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
And happy 16th birthday, Sissy Loves. More birthdays to come. And I wish you all the best, happiness and successful in life, especially sa love life mo together with this age. God bless you always and happy birthday. Love you.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. I want you to brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want you what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.
Hello there. Wishing you the happiest and brightest day ever. May you always have the happiness that your heart can hold. Happy birthday, Gracita. Know that we love you so much and we are always here for you. God bless. And always keep the love alive. Love, love, love.
At ayun na nga. Happy birthday to a lady who would never hesitate to share her last piece of coin sa ating party room. And that's Mommy Gracita. Happy birthday, Mommy. And always stay healthy and choose to be happy. Alam ko naman, masayahin ka. Not to mention yung mga Toyo days. Kahit na nagtotoyo yan, she still cared for us. She still support us. Diba? Ayan, maraming salamat sa love. And what else? Wala na ako masabi. Yun lang. Happy birthday and we love you. Dito lang kami palagi sa inyo. Daddy, birthday ni Mami. Alam na. Wala na ako masabi. Kinuha na lahat ng kulot ko. Kaya yun na lang tayo. Happy birthday, mwah.
Good morning, Beshi. Happy birthday, Gracita. Ang wish ko sa'yo is good health. Tsaka sana mabawasan na yung toyo mo. At di ka na masyadong na high blood. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na kapag kailangan mo ng kausap, andito lang kami, Miles. Isang message lang kami. We're always here for you. So, hindi ko napapahabain kasi marami na siguro magagreet ngayon. May pila-bal din na nga daw, sabi ni Miles. Kaya, babatiin lang natin ng happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon kahit nasa malayo ka. See you sa pagbalik mo sa susunod na get together. Hindi ngayon taon, baka sa next year papag-uwi mo. So, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love you.
Ayun, magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Sandali, hinaan ko muna kasi may nagtatas sa DR. Ayun. Anyways, hello 606 TRL and Core Team at sa lahat na nandito. Pasensya na, kararating ko lang. Kapagod. Anyways, gusto ko lang bumati. Gusto kong batiin ng aking amigang love na love ko yan. Magandang gabi sa ating lahat at happy birthday, amiga. Nasa sayo na lahat. Lahat. Successful career, successful life, successful love life. Ayun. Ang tanging hiling ko lang talaga is mapanatili yung magandang kalusugan mo. At marami ka pang isa-celebrate na kaarawan. And happiness, amiga, alam ko na masaya ka eh. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo. Hindi lang bilang amiga ko. Bilang tinuring ko nga kapatid na higit pa. Thank you, amiga, for lahat, for everything. At alam mo naman yan eh. Isa sa pinasasalamatan ko kasi kay amiga is anyways, pareho naman kaming maldita. Lahat naman tayo may pagkamaldita eh. Pero yung unawa din, yung intindi. Lahat naman kayo eh. Pero basta yung mga times na alam na niya yan. Hindi, wow. Did you know? Sabi nga ni Itay. At anyways, ayoko na magdrama. Iiyak lang kasi ako. At sana, amiga, is tuloy-tuloy ang iyong good health. Yun. At happiness, good life. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Itay. And thank you for loving me also. 606 anak, Miles, nakmahal, at mga core team natin, 606, pasensya na kayo sa akin minsan. Basta, love na love ko kayo. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mwah! I love you.
Yan, seryoso tayo ngayon dahil alam nyo naman, birthday ng aking mami, ang aking boss, Mami Grace. Kaya dapat seryoso, guys. Ngayon lang tayo magseryoso sa pagbati dahil ito na ang ating inaabangan na birthday ng ating numero 1 toyoin. Hindi na naman serious. Okay, Mami, happy birthday. At syempre I'm wishing you the best happiness ever with me, of course. At sana ay matuloy ang ating mga plano. Ayan. At laban lang tayo. Syempre, sabi nga natin, dapat ang wish na lang natin is to have happiness in life, enjoy our remaining life in this world. At dapat mag-settle down na tayo. Yan ang wish ko para sa iyo. Ayun. So, kaya dapat as soon as possible na pwede ka na mag-settle down. Let's do it. I'm here waiting. I love you, Mami. Yun lang, Mi. Baka mapaiyak pa tayo eh. Alam mo namang I have chosen you over the other girls. Sabi ko kasi, diba? You have the most advantage over them. Ayan o. Sige, yun na lang muna. Mami, andito lang ako. I'm waiting for your comeback in Philippines to settle down with me. Okay? I love you so much.